Hi, Dr. Davidson here with the Roadrunner Rundown. Today we're in the Applied Learning Center, which is in the admin building on the campus at our area, and this is where they prepare people for internships. So let's check it out. Hi, Janine.
Rhonda Aker.
Rhonda, so what do you do here?
All right, well, we are the Applied Learning Center, and we offer students opportunities to get experience related to their academic studies and their career goals. And that experience could be in the form of service learning projects, undergraduate research projects, civic engagement, or internships.
Oh, that's great. And all those things really help students find their way and decide what they want to do with their lives.
Absolutely.
Right?
Absolutely. Our goal is just to make students aware of the fact that if they get out and apply their learning, it's going to make their classes and their coursework much more meaningful. And of course, we know that employers appreciate that as well.
Cool. So what would be an example?
Well, an example might be our undergraduate research program.
How convenient.
How convenient that we're standing here. The Undergraduate Research Conference takes place in April, and it's an opportunity for students who have been involved in research either through classes or with a faculty member or a research internship, and they can present their work. And we're going to have over 250 students presenting oral presentations or posters on April 27th. And we really encourage faculty and staff and other students to attend this event and see what your classmates are doing, because it's awfully impressive.
Is this the whole team? Or you got a whole bunch of more people, right? Yeah, good. We need a lot of support. We need lots of people helping our students get to the finish line. And I hear that you have some students here today.
Yes, so every day we have an orientation. It's about an hour to an hour and a half. And it's an opportunity for students who want to learn more about how to get experience.
So every student who engages with our office goes through an hour and a half training with one of our staff. And we cover everything from resume writing and interviewing, which you would sort of expect, to kind of hands-on networking, and then give all the students some idea of all the types of programs that we offer and how they fit into their long-term career paths.
Okay, so what are you hoping to get out of this program?
Well, I'm trying to go into clinical research. So
Okay.
I like the networking we're talking about here and sort of developing relationships with organizations.
Okay, very good. What about you? What are you hoping to do?
Structural engineering.
Okay.
So hopefully design some buildings and structures all over the world.
So you're hoping to get maybe an internship or an apprenticeship or something with a construction company, or?
Yeah, anything to get my foot in the door, honestly. Get some experience, try network with people and try to move up, and then hopefully be able to travel the world and just kind of do structures all over the place.
So there's some amazing artwork on your walls in here. What's going on here?
This is all student art, and it's done by a painting class taught by Carlos Fresquez. And he has an assignment called Urban Landscapes.
Oh,
and so a lot of the pictures are from that assignment. They're actually pictures of Denver or the campus.
They're fantastic.
Yeah.
How do you like working in this admin building?
Oh, this is great over here. We have a
you
fabulous view
You
of
do.
downtown.
Check out this view.
Yes, and since we have the civic engagement program and we try to get our students out in the community, it's great for us to have
To actually see.
view of downtown.
So today I'm going to be part of the Colorado Business Roundtable's Higher Education Forum. This is going to be a really important event. I'll be on stage with other leaders from around Colorado, from CU, from CSU, and from Denver University. And we'll be talking about the future of higher education and why we need to be more workforce relevant. That's all for this week. See you next time.